Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got some 86 and slow boy stuff. So it's a Sunday. Sundays are for slow cars apparently. That's what we're working on today. Gonna be doing a front lip. We're gonna install a front lip. I'm gonna grab it now. Front lip and also how to remove the bumper. So a bit of a how-to today on bumper and front lip installation. So you're gonna give it a bash and then see how it is. And hopefully I don't break anything. So let's send it. This is the front splitter that I got forward or front lip or whatever you want to call it. It's a universal splitter with no holes, nothing. So I've got some hardware over there that we're going to try and fit. But I think what we're going to first do, jack up the car and take the bonnet off, front bumper off completely. So let's do that first. Right, got the jack in place, and there's I don't know what you want to call it, there's a strut underneath here. It's kind of in line with me somewhere here. That is a jack point, or cross member, I think is what it's called. So find that in the car, line the jack to it, and jack it up. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put bricks underneath the wheels, so I can just lift it up the ground, so it just makes my life a bit easier working under it. Okay, now that the car's safely jacked up and propped on top of these bricks, pretty happy with bricks. I mean, you can build houses with them. They are extremely capable of withstanding weight and different displacements. So pretty sure I can hold up my flippin' BLZ Toyota thing. So also always make sure that the handbrake is up, which in my case, it is. Yes, there it is, it's up. So next thing, I reckon we're going to start with the top here. Yeah, let's start with the top. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 more bolts. Everything's going to be 10 more bolts. And then there are these stupid plastic clip things. So these are pretty easy to come off. And then going to go on the left hand side here and show you what to do. Okay, now that we've finished with the front of or the whatever you want to call this, the top of the bonnet, top of that bumper, let's move to the wheel well. And I'm just going to do one side because it's the same as on the other side. So I'm going to attack the left hand side, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 little screw thingamajiggies that you have to pop out. So let's quickly do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, they're all out on the left hand side. Now repeat the process on the right hand side. As I said, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these plastic pop rivets out. Then I'm struggling with the indicator, and it's really simple. So the light obviously is just a screw in, but once the indicator is pushed in like this, inside the hole, you put your screwdriver in there and you push it so it presses on this little latch here, and it just poof, and it pops out. It feels like it's going to break, but it doesn't. So do that as well on this side, because that holds, there's another little clip here that holds the bumper on. So get that little clip out too, right up there. After popping out your indicator, I think my bumper's been removed because of this bumper gap, but I think there's a way how to fix it as well. So after that, then we look underneath the car and we see what needs to be removed. So that definitely needs to be removed, that, another 10 more. And then there's another poppy there, and there's a 10 mil there, and a pop on the end. So let's quickly pop those all off, and then go to the other side and do the same. Okay, the bottom came off eventually, just stubborn. It's getting very loose. So now I'm just going to quickly repeat the process of what I did here on the right hand side. I'm not going to show you because it's exactly the same. Right, everything's off. It's a bit of a learning curve. I've never done this before. It was fun. I definitely need to get some of these plastic clips. I hate them so much, but I guess let's try to pull the bumper off. Okay. Okay. There we go. This off. Get in. As we can see, the bumper is just off. Got it off really, not that bad actually. Stopped filming like halfway through now because my mom's boyfriend came to help me. And got it off. So, gonna put it on the grass and we're gonna do some mock-up fittings and see. Right, we've got the bumper off and got the splitter on. So I'm basically gonna find out what I'm gonna do is I can see here is where it clips on to this clip over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut out this little section here so I can put the clip back in, and then I'm going to put some double-sided tape on it and then see where I can use some self-tapping bolts to bolt up into the bumper.